guys, I'm Mandy and welcome to Mandy's Diaries. We are out at Zone 6 in Soweto. We are at the Amapiano Africa Summit. So I've got the lovely lady standing next to me. She's going to tell us a bit more about it. Please introduce yourself and tell us why we're here today.
Hi, my name is Chola Makamate. I'm from the Southern African Music Rights Organization, or SAMRO as everyone knows it. Yeah, and I think essentially today we are here to provide a platform where those in the Amapiano space can learn about the business of music, things about rights, how to exploit those rights, how to make money, how to protect yourself, how to network, how also to break into new markets and those kinds of things. So I think those are conversations around empowering those who want to be in the space from different angles in terms of how to best operate in the Amapiano space.
And for those who don't know what SAMRO is about, can you please just give us a breakdown of what you guys do?
So SAMRO is what we call a collective management organization. We are essentially the middleman between those who create music and those who use music. So people who, for instance, Amapiano artists will join SAMRO, and then what we do is we go out to market and license venues, like even this one, broadcasters, restaurants, municipalities, etc. They pay us a license fee. We then take an admin fee from that, and then we then pay out royalties to those people who have joined SAMRO as composers or authors. Yeah.
So out of all the music you guys have at SAMRO, which music is the club banger right now? Which music are you guys finding yourself having to what's the music that is mostly out there through SAMRO?
So, that's an interesting question, because you might find that a music genre is very popular. Like Amapiano might be very popular. But from our side, because for instance, Amapiano artists are not our members. Or you might find that venues that use Amapiano music are not necessarily licensees. We're not administering any royalties pertaining to that genre. So it might be hot on the streets, but because, for instance, artists are not joining, or artists are not notifying or stuff like that, or users are not licensing, we're not necessarily administering works that are in the Amapiano space. Yeah.
And so what campaign are you guys running in order to get everyone in? Or you guys trying to get a membership with Amapiano? How is it working? Because I understand how Kanyisa was explaining earlier that they've actually they've bridged the gap between the buyers and the artists, and you guys are the middleman,
Yeah.
So now you kind of have to stay current and stay, okay, well, we don't know this genre. How do you guys get in? What's the plan with that?
So you need to understand that our role really is hugely an administrative one. But we do understand for our business to survive, we need to have members on the other side and we need to have users on the other side. So from our perspective, it's really about educating artists about who SAMRO is, what we do, how we can make their lives easier. Hence, we're here today talking about, for instance, copyright, and how copyright operates within the music space and the creative space, and how you can use that to make money. You can obviously go to our website if you want more information. We're doing a lot of education and awareness on our social media platforms, because the artists are there. Yeah. So it's just a matter of that type of outreach, workshops and all of those kinds of things. But I know that with the Amapiano crowd, we need to be a little more I don't know if they still use that word. We need to be a little bit more in tune with how we communicate, so that the message is there. Because ultimately, your song can be playing everywhere and you won't make money because you haven't plugged into the right spaces to get that money for you.
Yeah. And so for someone sitting at home who's like, I want to register under SAMRO so that their music is licensed, how do they go about that?
Go to the website and then contact us, and then we'll assist you. Or for those who want to come to our offices, we're at 20 Quarter Street in Braamfontein. But we are here, and even here, whoever's coming through today, we have a team of SAMRO people here today and also here tomorrow that you can connect with.
And you guys will be assisting artists in terms of how to use the platform, or educating them on what SAMRO and what the role they play.
Come through, ask the questions, we'll answer them. You can even ask the questions on our social media platforms, we'll ask them. You can email us, we'll answer the questions. You can, there are a number of ways that you can contact us. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Okay. Thanks, guys. That's me, Mandy. We're still out in Zone 6. This is the Amapiano Africa Summit. For more, please follow, like, subscribe at Mandy's Diaries on all social platforms.